Hello everyone and welcome back to Navigated School Assembly News. Today is 2nd July 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. The price of a commercial LPG cylinder has been reduced by 183 rupees 50 paise, providing relief to business and restaurants after supply conditions in West Asia improved. The IMD has predicted below normal rainfall in July, after June 2026 became India's fifth driest June since 1901, raising concerns about kharif crops and water availability.
International news. PM Narendra Modi is holding the 16th India-Japan Annual Summit with Japanese Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi in New Delhi today. India has condemned Pakistan's recent airstrikes on Afghan territory, referring to them as desperate acts of violence.
Karnataka State news. The SIR of electoral rolls is underway across Karnataka. Booth level officers are conducting door-to-door verification and citizens have been urged to submit forms by 29 July.
Sports news. Indian wicketkeeper batter Ishan Kishan has become the world number 1 T20I batter in the latest ICC rankings, replacing Abhishek Sharma.
Thought of the day. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.